Okay, folks, I didn't get the chance to get this one in the last video, so this will be our load up number 2. So here we go. This is Lasco C3. Look at this little trail going that way. I've got this one dated back from the 28th all the way up to the 31st, and we'll go one frame at a time. And I'm going to start showing you here. You see this right here in my last frame, or the last one? See that? Remember last time I said, "Holy cow, what is that?" And it went from here, and it actually on the blue one, which was Lasco C2. You see it on this one here, and it comes all the way over to here. That is an impossibility, folks. Okay, literally impossible. Now remember, keep your eyes out for different things that have like them long trails like that, or even a short trail, even if it just seems like it only goes a little distance like that. Odds are that's probably one of them. One of the other things, like where'd this guy come from? From back here, and these are supposed to be 12-minute frames. Oh, look at that! He came out and then zoom, took off the other direction. But also try and keep your eyes out for that. It's like a triangle, but but it's got wings and then a tail. Whoa, what happened there? There's lots of stuff that happens, folks. We don't even see it because it'll go across so fast we don't ever see the uh, see the clear image. They'll either blank it on purpose or something happened that made it blink like that from maybe one of them passing. I don't know. Oh, there's a cigar shaped one again. There's one coming out of there. It just almost seems a little too odd, in my opinion. I mean, oh, look at that. Oh, look, there's another one. Zoom! And here's one right here. Oh, there's two of them. Look at that. He's got a friend. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Ah, here he is, and with the wings, but the wings ain't lit up yet. How you doing? I'm gonna try and. Oop, look at that. Something happened there. But if you really go, like I said, if you go frame by frame, all of a sudden you'll start noticing stuff. Like, what is that? Whoa, whoa, you see that? Look, no Memorex? Memorex. Notice how this side didn't even change. Watch again. Watch. Exactly the same, except for this. See the lines? They're hiding something. And then all of a sudden you see the explosion. Now this is from the 28th, okay? The 28th. And then all of a sudden this guy pops up. Where'd he come from? I don't know. Couldn't tell you where he went though. But he took off. Look at all of them. Ah, there we go. Wings and a tail down here at the back end. There's one. And if you really start paying attention, all of a sudden you'll start seeing them. You'll be like, oh my goodness. Now this one's at 512. You can go to 1024, which really doubles the size, so you can really zoom in and get better detail and start paying attention to some stuff. Oh, look at this. The line and oh, little cube blocking some. Oh, what is this? Do you see that? Watch this. What is this? Uh-oh. They didn't know. Oh, Papa Master Jacob could zoom in. Oh, look at that. How you doing there, little fella? How you doing, little fella? Look at this. Zoom, zoom, taking off, getting out of there. But what is that, folks? What is that? Huh? I don't care if anybody thinks I'm seeing things. I am seeing things. I'm seeing things that are real. People need to wake up. Stuff's going on out in space, and they have no clue. Like, what? No, what? Yeah, okay. Keep thinking that. Yeah, you keep thinking inside of your rose-colored glasses that everything's just perfectly fine, and ain't nobody else out in the universe except us. We're the only ones there. You're ding dong. Sorry. You watch my videos. Slow down. Go to the places I'm telling you to go. Go on. You'll see them. Look at that. Now let me actually let me speed up to the one in question. The one, ooh, nice one. Almost looks like he came out of that, doesn't it? From right here, and then came through. Ooh, very nice. But let's really get moving to the one that I've been telling y'all about. Unless you see it. Oh, there's another one. See? Now I pointed that one out the other day. The one up top. Oh, explosion. Boom. Oh, what was that? To the right. More. There it is. See that? This is the one we were looking at over there on Last Go C2, the blue one that was like this but blue, and it was further away, a further distance away. From right here, closed and said, woo! And then on the other one, which was way farther away, what did we have? The same line, same trajectory, same degum, going the same direction. In fact, let's bring it up again. Let's just bring that one up here in just a second, and we'll take a little sneaky peek at it. How does that sound? That sounds fabulous. Right at 8:29:00 seconds. That's when we got this one. Okay? That's frame 1195 for us. So I'm gonna remember that, and we'll go take a peek at it, and we'll see here in just a second. See if we can find any other beautiful winged objects out there, ships. Okay, here we are. Same day, 8 o'clock, or on the 8th. But look at this. This is where the disc is supposed to be covering the sun, right? Something happened, a major flash of something. This got all distorted. Look at this. This is actually the disc. It got jumbled, but this is the disc. This is something coming off the side of the disc. What the hell is that? Huh? And then you got a refraction back, and so here's the sun. And what is that? You know, like the one that had the square on it that was blanking it out. It's this right here. It's either a planet or our second sun, which we are binary star system, folks. In case you didn't know, like seriously, we're binary. And or it's some kind of mothership. But ain't that something? Every time you see this, take a good look and pay close attention, because you'll find something. Every time. Every time. Oh, that was beautiful. That was magnificent. This one's actually this is a great one. You don't see the entire thing, but look at this. Right here, there's the wing that comes this way to the right, to the right, and then there's another one that actually is coming this way to the left, and then his tail. But he was behind the disc, and he was jumping away from the sun. But there's one right there. Solid. Solid. And of course he's not there in the next frame. But that was one of them. Another thing, folks. Do you see how this is a nice little lineup right here? That's intelligence. That is a formation. For whatever reason. Those are other things that you can start looking for. I've been noticing them a lot lately. In fact, I probably forgot to mention it, but yeah, that's intelligence right there. All right, now here you go. Check this out. See this right here? With a wing off to each side. This guy with a wing off to each side. This guy with a wing off to each side. This one I can't really tell. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of bright where I'm at, so I can't really tell. But he's coming in. They're coming in. Looks like this one's taking off. And then the next frame, out of here. Come on, people. Come on. It's not a coincidence, is it? No. Okay, here's one of the reasons why I know that we have planets around our sun, or some big old mothership, or our second sun. Watch this, folks. And I don't care who you are, you're not going to try and tell me otherwise. Watch this right here. This actually gets round and goes around a round object. Watch. The plume. Poof. Look at that. It's going round. It's still round. Like it's pushing, like this is here and it's pushing it, or something is here and it's concaving inside it while it's pushing it off. Do you see that? I'm hoping you see it. Now, watch this. Where is he at? Is it the next one? There he is. How you doing, buddy? Wings. And somebody, oh, it's a planet. Really? This thing takes a picture every 12 minutes. See the time? 21:36, 21:48. 12 minutes later, gone. If it was a planet, he'd still be there. That was 12 minutes. It ain't a planet, folks. It's a visitor. Oh, he's over here all of a sudden. How do you get there? In 12, in what? How many frames is that? Let's see. There's 12, 48. Oh, 48 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, 21:48. Yeah, boom, boom. Yeah. How do you get there so fast? Sure ain't from no planet, folks. Come on. I know you're smelling what I'm stepping in. Come on. Look at this. Here goes another one. Zoom. Now, this is either taken off or maybe it's a laser shooting down and hitting the sun. I don't know. Let's see if we get a coronal mass ejection right after it. I don't see one. Well, to me, that would mean one just took off. Went warp speed, if you will. Oh, yeah, I don't know. No blast. Oh, look, there's our little buddy again. 8:30, 11:48. Hey, little fella. There's another Memorax. Watch this. This side changes. This side stays the same. From 8:30, 16:36. Oh, 17:12. That's a lot more than 12 minutes, folks. They cut time out. Wow, look at this. Like a hexagon shape. Perfect shape back there, huh? Isn't that crazy? Wow. So what did they not want us to see for half an hour? Here's another formation. See that? And almost like here, too. Pretty interesting, isn't it? I mean, you can clearly see a line here and here. That's intelligence. Some more Memorax, folks. Here you go. Watch. Oh, the middle changed. The edges didn't. See, watch. See? Blink. They didn't want you to see anything going on here. They left the outsides the same. But they just changed the middle. Why would they do that? What happened? Who knows? It was something they didn't want you to see. I mean, nothing that necessarily happened, but they didn't want you to see what was there. That was clear as day. Gonna let you know. Gonna let the public know. Like, whoop, we can't have that going. Oh, look at that. Here he goes. Beautimous. All right, folks. Here we are at the end of this video. About to end it. Here we are at 8:31. We're getting close to the end of the day. Here you go. You ready? Boom. We have an explosion, right? This is the one that happened that they didn't register for us. And then, oh, look. There's our little buddy again in the middle with wings. And it actually, if you look close, it almost looks like they tried to scrub it. Like, tried to scrub it with red. It's like, what the crap? What are they doing? And then look at the time. 12:48 to 13:25? That's 45 minutes, folks. Come on, man. If you guys can't see what's happening, like, it's pretty obvious to me. I mean, they're intentionally scrubbing data. And that's the end. Folks, please, seriously, go to Soho movie theater. Start looking at this stuff yourself. Put in different dates. Put in whatever dates you want. And start paying. You'll start seeing stuff. You'll start seeing the lines. And I'll be honest with you. I don't understand how there's a line right here and it's always there. Why the hell is that? How do you have a constant line there? You shouldn't. Like what's here cutting in the middle of the rays? Makes no sense to me. Folks, you guys be good. Have a good one. Love your family. Let kids be little. If they want to jump into bed and get in the middle, let them do it. Crying out loud, it's just love.